I'm Aphrodite. I'm the goddess of love, beauty, desire, and pleasure. I was born from the foam of the sea. And let's just be honest, none of the gods deserved my love, and all the gods wanted my love. So I felt I was too good for any of the gods. Zeus, marry me to Hephaestus, who is a very lame and ugly god of fire. And that's why I was forced to cheat on him. I had many affairs with different gods and even humans, but only two gods did I really love. They were Ares, the god of war, and Adonis, who was extremely handsome and loved to hunt more, and eventually was killed by one. And also, I was the cause of the Trojan War. I represent the power of love that no one can escape, and I bestow my blessing on anyone who worship me. But if you despise the love, I can be very ruthless and evil. Why I choose Aphrodite? Because she inspired me to believe in love of magic, and for me, she has shown the power that no man can have over it. She proves that power is not only about strength, but also about beauty, and about engaging with a figure who not only represent beauty and love, but also serve as a gateway into broader about any culture and human behavior.